Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Oraimo Watch 5 smartwatch. The model name for this wearable is the OSW805. On this video, we are going to have a demo of one of its smart features, that is the Bluetooth call, as well as the push notification. So if you are interested to see how the push notifications or the smart notifications and Bluetooth call works with the Oraimo smartwatch or the Oraimo Watch 5 smartwatch, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and check out the smart notification. So this wearable do have a support for smart notifications as well as the Bluetooth phone call. Let me show you the functionality for the Bluetooth phone call. Find phone. We have the workout here, message, and the Bluetooth call. As you can see, it is activated. So we'll check this one, we'll try it, and of course let's check it first in the support app if there are some settings that we have to activate. Okay, so we are connected with the Oraimo Health app, as you can see here. Then skip, let's go to our device. We are connected, as you can see here. Tap on the Oraimo Watch 5. Sync with phone notifications. Okay. Bluetooth phone call. Synchronize contacts. Then, what else do we have here? Okay. Seems like every options or settings for our wearable is already set. Let's see here. Okay, call, and we have here contacts. We do have the dial pad and the call history. Okay, so let's start and have a demo first with the smart notifications. So let's go first with the Instagram. So let's send a message. Let's send a message to Cindy or to Sam. So let's say hello. Hopefully it works. Hello, Oraimo. Okay. Did we receive any notifications? Yes, we have it here. We also have here the logo and the name of the sender with an option to delete here. Okay, again, hello with an emoji. Let's see if there's the support for emoji. Message sent, and we have it here. So there's no support for emoji so far, as you can see. Okay, it's blank, but we have the logo and the name of the sender. We don't have the time. Okay, let's have a call here. Let's see if we'll receive a call notification. And call, and as you can see, we do have a call notification. Audio call. Let's end a call. Okay, so it works with our Instagram app. Then next, let's have the Messenger. Let's wait. Then let's send a message to Sam again via Messenger. Hello, Oraimo. Message sent. And let's see if we can receive a message here. There's always delayed for Messenger. It's always delayed. Okay, but we do have it here. Okay, it's a good thing that we still receive the message we have the logo here, the name of the sender, and the message with an option to delete. Okay, Cindy. Then again, let's have the call. It's calling now, and call, and we have the missed call from Cindy. Okay, so it works also with our Messenger. Next, let's have the Viber account. Seems like everything works for our Oraimo Watch 5. Very good so far. Let's send a message to Sam. Hello, Oraimo. Message sent. After this, we'll have the SMS. Okay. Nope, we did not receive any messages. Hello. Is there support for Viber? Okay, we did not receive any messages here. Let's go back to the Oraimo Health. Then, sync phone notifications. Do we have a Viber account here? None. We don't have. None. Okay. Let's select for others. Let's look for Viber. Okay, let's activate this one. Go back. Okay, then let's have the notifications again. Hello. Hello. Message sent. And we receive a message here. Okay, it's in the other section. Okay, so there's no personalized logo for Viber. We only have the other icon here. Okay, again. Hello, Oraimo. And we have it here. Okay, but so far it works. It's okay. Let's have a call notifications. Okay, we have it here. So very good so far for Oraimo. If the app, your app, social app is not supported here, you can go to the other section and select the app. You activate the allow the app to receive notifications or to send push notifications on your smartwatch. Okay, so it works. Next, let's have the Messenger. So let's send a message to Sam. Hello, this is SMS. Please take note that there's no support for emoji. And we have here the SMS. Okay, so it's a different logo for SMS notifications. Okay, so very good. It works. So I'm impressed with the notification function of the Oraimo. So we have here the SMS. We have here the other apps. We also have here, okay, the Messenger, Instagram, and other applications. So it can store only at least, think how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. It can only store 4 push notifications on the smartwatch. Again, it works with Instagram, Messenger, Viber, SMS notifications, and other applications. Next, let's have the Bluetooth call support for the Oraimo Watch 5. Alright, so let's start with the Bluetooth call support. So we have here the section for a main menu for the Bluetooth call. So we have the call menu here. So when you tap it, as you can see, you have an option to activate or deactivate the Bluetooth call, we have the contacts here. Okay, you can add contacts here via the support app. We have the dial, and we have the call history. So let's call Sam. Okay, so let's dial the number of Sam. Let's see if we can receive it here. And we have the incoming call from Cindy. Okay, is there support for quick reply? Let's see. Okay, very good. We do have a support here for quick reply for SMS. Can deny the call or answer the call. So let's try this one. I'm busy at the moment. Okay, let's see if we'll receive a notification here. Okay, it's alerting, and as you can see, it works. So we have a quick reply for the Bluetooth call. Okay, so I did not notice that on the support app, but as you can see, it works. Nice. Okay, very good so far. So there is a support for quick reply. Okay, so let's try to call or to use the contacts here. Let's try to call Cindy. Okay, let's put this aside and tap on Cindy. Let's see if we'll receive it here. As you can see, so the phone book works with our Oraimo Watch 5 and call. Okay, so the phone book works, and we have the call history, and we also have the dial pad here. So let's try to call. Let's use the number here, contacts, my number, let's see, 09. Later on we will answer the call. Now 198092094. Okay, oops, wrong number again. 09119809209 call. It's calling Cindy, and as you can see here, it works. Okay, very good so far for our Oraimo Watch 5. And next, let's try to receive it here on the smartwatch. Let's call Sam. Okay, it's now dialing the number. And as you can see here, you have an option to quick reply and the call or answer the call. In our case, let's try to answer the call here. Hello, this is the Oraimo Watch 5. The Bluetooth call works. Okay, so the Bluetooth call works for our Oraimo Watch 5. You can have a quick reply. You can dial the number, as well as you can also use the contacts. Okay, with the Oraimo Health, you can add your own contacts. As you can see here, sync with phone, messaging, or sync with, let's see, sync with contacts. Okay, I'm looking for the quick reply here, if there's an option. Sync notifications. So seems like there's no option for the quick reply here. I think it is fixed. Okay, if you find the settings for that, drop a comment below. Okay, so that's it for our smart notifications and Bluetooth call demo for the Oraimo Watch 5. If you find the video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.